In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Typeform's branding from your forms. We'll cover everything you need to know about making your Typeform more uniquely yours by removing the Powered by Typeform footer watermark, the loading screen, and the end screen. To get started, let's first make sure you're on the right plan. It's important to note that the removable branding feature is only available if you're on the Plus plan or higher. Unfortunately, if you're using the free or basic plans, you won't be able to hide Typeform's logo or credits. For those with the necessary plans, like Plus, Business, Growth, or Enterprise, you're all set to personalize your Typeform experience. So, how do you actually turn off the Typeform branding? It's a simple process. First, you'll need to open your Typeform account and navigate to the specific form you want to edit. Once you've selected your form, look for the Content panel on the left-hand side of the screen. This panel is your gateway to all the settings you need to make your form truly your own. In the Content panel, you'll see a settings icon that looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click that. This will open a settings menu where you can control different aspects of your form's appearance and functionality. Here, you want to locate the Typeform branding toggle. It's a switch that allows you to easily enable or disable branding on your form. To remove the branding, simply switch it off. After toggling off the branding, it's essential to save your changes. There's a Save button right there in the Settings menu, so click on that to ensure all your adjustments are locked in. Once your changes are saved, the next step is to publish those edits. Find the Publish Share button. A click here will apply your changes to the live form. This means that as soon as someone accesses your form via an embedded link or directly, the Typeform branding will no longer be visible. And there you have it. Your form should now be free of any Typeform branding, allowing it to fully represent your own brand and style. It's a straightforward process that helps keep your audience focused on what truly matters, your content. Don't forget that if you're on an appropriate plan and want to change the look or format of your form in the future, you can revisit the settings at any time. Just remember to save and publish your changes to ensure your form stays updated and refined to your liking. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in customizing your Typeform experience. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy form building!